Hi friends, I am Sandhya. I am telling you about military schools entrance exam. Military schools and Sainik schools both are same, but small differences are there in Sainik schools and military schools. In each and every state, Sainik schools are there, but in military schools all over in India, only 5 military schools are there. 5 military schools are Himachal Pradesh in Chail, Rajasthan in Dolapur, Rajasthan in Ajmer, Karnataka in Belgaum, Karnataka in Bangalore. In military schools, the training is at higher level than Sainik schools. Getting a seat in military schools that not easy. Those who want to join in military schools go to official website and apply. The official website is www.rashtriyamilitaryschools.edu.in. Those who want to join in military schools should apply when they are studying 5th class. The notification will come in November. The editing option is also available in December. If there are any mistakes while applying, it can be edited in December. The exam will be in January. Boys and girls both are eligible to return the exam. The age limit should be 10 to 12 years while studying 5th class. For 6th class admission के लिए some certificates are required for applying purpose. The certificates are caste, income certificate, photo, signature, 20 rupees stamp paper and date of birth certificate, Aadhaar card also. The syllabus will be Maths, English, General Knowledge, General Intelligence. General Knowledge is matlab current affairs. General Intelligence is matlab reasoning. The General Intelligence will be 50 questions and 50 marks. The qualifying marks are in 40%. GK is also 50 questions and 50 marks. The qualifying marks are in GK 40%. Mathematics is also 50 questions and 50 marks. The qualifying marks are in 40%. English is also 50 questions and 50 marks. The qualifying marks are in 35%. In each and every subject, the qualifying marks are in 40%. 50 marks and qualifying marks 40%. In English only 35% qualifying marks and no negative marks. Each and every question can be attempted. It can be no negative marks. Time 2 hours 30 minutes. We have to prepare all previous papers and sample papers. Radiant's publishers are also good for military entrance exam and Arihant author is also good for military entrance exam. If the written exam is qualified, then there will be conducted an interview. Interview is also qualified, then there will be conducted a medical test. The medical tests are height, weight, chest standards, chest X-ray, lungs function test, vision test, hearing test, dental test, medical history, illness, surgeries, allergies, blood, urine test. If the written exam and medical test interview both are qualified, the seat will be confirmed. Fee payment is also there in military schools. Again, we will get some amount written in the scholarship merit list. The physical activities is also there in military schools. The physical activities are weapon training, horse riding, yoga, public speaking, swimming, map reading, disaster management, squad drill, advanced training. Each and everything we learn, they train. If one's education is completed in military schools, officers levels jobs will come. The officers levels jobs are NDA officers, National Defense Academy officers, Navy officers, Air Force officers jobs we will get.